the Starlink Gen3 roof mount. And this is how it looks. There's not much to it, but you can put it on your car, you can put it on your boat, you can put it on your camper, you can put it wherever you want Starlink, and it's pretty easy how it works. These are magnets, and I mean they're very strong magnets, and you put them in the legs right here of this mount. They screw right in the bottom of the leg, just like that. All the magnets are on. Now I'm putting this bracket on. Very easy how it spins in. And of course, this can go on the top, locks in, and that's where the dish will sit. Starlink Gen3. And this will sit here, and of course you adjust it to where you get your best. And now this will sit on the top of your car or your boat or your camper or whatever, but it is really a strong magnet. So I want to show you how it sticks to the car. That's how tough it is. That is not going to leave or be able to move. The wind is not going to hold it. You can put it on top of your car, boat, camper, whatever you want to do. To get it off, you just start with one side, pry one side up, and then it comes off easy.